activity. Okay. So, let's have the group activity. So, this is what we're going to do. I will be the one to group you into 4. So, just take note. This one, you are group 1. Okay, so I'm the one to group you. And this group, you are group 2. One pala kita. You are group 2. And this one, you are group, you are group 3. This one. And this one, you are group 4. Okay, now, make now a circle. Okay, you can make now a circle so that you can do the activity. Yes, you are group. Okay. Okay, make now a circle. A perfect circle. Okay. Down, everybody, and listen to the instruction. Okay, eyes on the board. Listen, everybody. Before we proceed to our activity, let us recall. Are you now ready to listen? Yes. Okay, are you now ready? Yes. Okay, if you are ready, raise your hand. Raise your hands to those group that already ready to listen. Okay, thank you. Okay, hands down. Hands down now. Okay. Before we proceed to our activity, let us recall first the guidelines in having a group activity. We have the rules in making your group activity, and you need to follow these rules. Are you listening? Okay. In doing the activity, follow the group activity standard or rules. Number 1, for letter L, let us be mindful of what comes out from our mouth behind. Meaning, don't talk anything if that is not related to your activity. And be kind. Maging mabalang. If you have your idea, if there is a suggestion, be kind to your groupmates. And observe cleanliness in your respective working area. So after the activity, you need to clean your group. Okay? And valid contribution from the group mates should be accepted. You can ask the idea from your group member. Not only the leaders, or the leader will be the one to answer all the activity, but everybody should contribute in that group activity. Enjoy and have fun in doing your activity. Enjoy. Be happy, enjoy, don't be stress yourself or yourselves in accomplishing this task. Love your work. Okay. Most of all, you need to love your work so that you have a productive output. Do you understand? Okay. So we have the rubrics for group activity. Okay, everybody look at the slides. So we have 1 point. Okay, this one. 1 point this one. Process skills. Members do not demonstrate targeted process skills. So 1 point like Toria. 3 points. Members occasionally demonstrated targeted process skills. 3 points. And 5 points. Members always demonstrate targeted process skills. Same with time management. Dapat within the given time, for example, I will give you 10 minutes. Everybody should accomplish or finish your output within 10 minutes. You understand? Okay. Okay, members do not finish on time, you are 1 point only. Members finish on time with incomplete data, 3 points. And members finish ahead of time with complete data, you got 5 points. Same also with cooperation and teamwork. Same process sila. Then, the neatness and orderliness of the output, the same bihapon by 1 point, 3 points, and 5 points. Did you understand? Okay. Instruction. Each group will analyze the instruction assigned to them, then they present and explain their output in class. So meaning, after your output, in every group, there is a leader. So, this time, just select or choose your leader. Because later, your leader will be the one to present the output. Okay, Next. Okay. This is for station 1 or group 1. Okay. So, you are group 1. Okay. Hold your task. You are group 2. And you are group 3. And you are group 4. Okay. Sige. Now, open now the folder and read the instruction. Open now the folder. Open the folder and read the instruction. Yeah. Read the instruction so that you will be guided to what to do. Basahin ang panuto para malaman kung ano ang pinapagawa sa inyo. Okay, so group 2, you can use this as a source. Okay, just read the instruction. Okay, you can use your ball pen. Okay, so meaning you can use this Manila paper, this material. You can write your answer to this material. See to it nga that is readable. Okay, sige. What? You can use that one. Yes, I have that one, yes. Okay, sige. Read the instruction so that you know what to do. Okay, yes, I have here is excuse me po. Ma'am, group activity na po ako. So, disability rules. You will give the rules. Okay, so you can have the 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. See to it, see to it. Everybody cooperate to each other. Magtulungan lahat. Not only the one. Meaning, read the instruction. There is already the instruction. What's the instruction there? Read the instruction. So that you know what to do. You don't need to make a first. All you need to do, just write the data that you need as by the keyboard. Okay, by the shape. Okay. The first group to accomplish the group activity, listen, you can raise your hand so that you will be the one to present your output. You are done. Okay, so review first your activity and plan on how you are going to explain your output. Have a discussion within the group. You need to explain that, why you answer that one. You need to talk. Yes, of course, you need to talk in English. teach, you can ask the assistant some question. Okay, focus to your group. Okay, if your group is already done, you can post your output to this side. So first, second, third, and fourth. If you are done already, you can post your output on the chalkboard. Okay, that is just stay to your group. Minimize your voice, minimize your voice. Okay, if you are done, raise your hands. Okay, then you can post upward. Sige. Sige. You are group. What group are you? Sige. This is already final. Ayusin yung pagsulat. Sige, okay. Ayusan. Make it bigger. Ha? Make it bigger. Yes. That's okay. Because there is number divisible by 3 at the same time divisible by 5, divisible by 10. That's okay. Click on. Use your time wisely. Okay, so the group 1 is already done.